Today we'll talk about how can you export data on your OneNote app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, just click here on export data here. So before that, so your sticky here not sync to Outlook. You have to have Outlook, and it's going to show for you here export data. When you just click on it, then it's going to export with you automatically. So it's going to show for you here exports if you have Outlook. So I have no Outlook here, but here can you open link to have more information. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.